You know what?
So
I am trying to grow my hair. I want to grow my hair this long.
okay. Actually, I love long hair, but you know, when I stay other places, so means पानी अलग अलग रहता है तो it's fall down too much.
You know, I just want to grow my hair. I never had long hair, right? Very long hair.
Yeah.
I just want to have experience of having it.
I don't know why, but your video not clear.
Not clear.
Yeah, it's a blur, messy types.
I don't know.
Are you asking some question for me? Actually, I want to improve my English, so I want to answer too much. Anyone question me and I answer.
What kind of questions should I have? What you cooked today? What was your? Okay, so did you had your breakfast?
Yeah, I had my breakfast. Yeah, I made paratha, aloo paratha with chutney,
Wow,
with green chutney.
very nice.
And you know,
Yummy.
I did a lot of work today, and
You what?
I did lot of work today.
Ah, okay.
Like I got up around 5 a.m.
Mm-hmm.
Then I did all my housework. After that, I made breakfast. Then I drop my kids, my elder kids, to their school. After that, I taken one to school. Then I came back home. After that, had my breakfast. Yeah. Then I talk with you.
Ah, nice. I literally did nothing. I just watered plant only, and I just scrolled phone. I watched reels.
Oh my God! Why you kill your time every time? Why you kill your time watching only reel? You know, some people do like this. They watch means if you watch anything, so you watch knowledgeable things. Why you watch reel? What you get from reels?
I got to know what's going around the world. I watch news reels.
Okay, news reel. So that's good. If you watch knowledgeable things, so that's good.
Then I talk to mama. Then I water plant, and I'm
Okay.
just I remain. Then I'll just go and have bath. Actually, I'm feeling quite hot sitting here, so I'll go take bath.
Mm-hmm. I think you know
And
why your video blur, because you are moving here and there, like you are ironing and folding clothes. So you moving here and there. That's why your video blur, I think.
it's all right, all right.
But your voice reached properly.
That's what matters, right?
Yeah.
I'm done with clothes. I'm not ironing more. So I have lots of clothes to iron. I'm done.
Okay.
See, here I walk. I do exercise.
Wow. When you brought this thing, what called it?
Treadmill.
Treadmill. So
Treadmill.
brother,
Treadmill.
treadmill.
Yeah, I think it. Yeah.
My sister-in-law do exercise there.
Uh, yeah, everyone like Bhabhi, she did in morning, I did in night, and Bhaiya also did in night.
And money.
Anyone, she doesn't need it.
because she doesn't need.
Yeah, she don't need it, and uh, she go for running. Um, she go for running. She
Okay, every morning she goes.
sometimes she's lazy, sometimes she goes.
Okay.
She asked me to go with her, but like mm,
Where is she now?
she's sleeping.
What? This time she is sleeping. Oh, yeah.
I think she's in her bed. She taken bath. She did puja, and she have read. She read newspaper, and now she's like, "Khatam." Yeah, I read the newspaper.
So she did all. Nowadays she not goes there coaching and where she goes.
Once the food is ready, she will eat. Maybe she will go then. I don't know.
Okay, that's good. She already selected government job. So why she do anything? Yeah, she already
Mama
selected.
just say up in the morning, tell me that if she doesn't wake up in the morning, she has to wake up in the morning, take bath, do puja. There was a make her wake up in morning, okay? I said,
That's why she wake up and did all things and again she sleep. Nice, nice. After worshipping God, I feel very comfortable. Like I feel like yeah, I did something. Otherwise, if I not worship God, so I feel like I not did something. I not did something like this. So yeah, I love worship God too much.
nice. Hmm?
In when I child, then I mama say every time mama worshipping, papa worshipping means everyone worshipped God. So yeah, I grow up like this.
Yeah, I grown up like this. Like I do fasting, and that is very strict fast. So I think that is my gratitude to the God, that I'm very thankful for everything. So I one day fasting I do. Because everything is, I mean, maybe problems are there, but I think whatever I wanted in my life, everything is just falling on the place by itself.
Yeah,
Literally everything. Whatever I have imagined, like I want to do something like this or that. I want this. Everything just coming by itself. So I'm very thankful to the God. So I do strict fasting, like okay, means
I do fasting, but now after some days I quit because I am too nowadays I feel so slimy, so I want to grow up my cheeks.
what is your weight?
I don't
I mean,
know.
you should
I
be 50, 51, 52.
Yeah, 50, yeah, 51, 52, like yeah, like this. But I
I
not.
would be 50, 50 plus. I am 50, around 50, 51, 52. I think I will be that much.
Yeah, so our height not too much, like 6.2. Yeah, 6.2
That
my
is
height.
very hard. 5, 6.2 is
Yeah,
very much.
sorry, 5.2. I forget. 5.2.
How is my, see
Huh?
my teeth? See my teeth.
Your teeth nice, but you not seen your what you applying your teeth. What called this?
They are aligners. I am
Like
wearing a line.
okay, so I can't see.
Yeah, not visible. I'm wearing them.
Okay, so
Yeah,
how how long you wear? How long will you wear?
all time. Only
Okay,
while eating. So it's like I cannot eat anything outside just because of this.
okay, that's good. Okay. When your teeth all set, after that I I will go doctor with meet. I will meet doctor and say you make my teeth.
Yeah, so you can also like just wearing aligners, they can in just around 5 to 6 months, that will enough
Mhm.
for you.
So
Just
how's
wasting time.
charge? No, no, it's costly. Yeah, chief. Because I have not enough money. I not earn money 1 rupee. So I don't like to ask anyone to give money and I'll go and do this and purchase this. I don't like this thing.
I would you even bother to play with your teeth? They are really good, straight and good. Don't bother them.
Yeah, yeah, I like my teeth. Actually, I like my all face. I like myself too much.
I like your dimple.
Dimple,
If
yeah.
you got, you know why dimple comes?
What? Uh, I not listen. What you said?
Why? How dimple comes? How? Dimple कैसे
You
बनता
know,
है?
you want to dimple, so you go meet and doctor. So doctor make dimple. Nowadays, artificial dimple. You go and visit doctor. So doctor, I think,
Or some
cut it.
cells are not. Listen, when your some cells are not developed properly, then their dimple comes.
I don't know. I don't know. Maybe. But I like my dimple.
Someone was seeing my hand, like was saying, अरे यहाँ भी तिल है, बहुत पैसे आएंगे, अरे पैर में तिल है, अरे बहुत भाग्यशाली हूँ, अरे इतने तिल है, बहुत बड़ी फैमिली मिलेगी, तिल ही तिल है भाई.
रियली ऐसा कुछ होता है तिल से? आई डोंट नो.
So if someone have high, what they call, uh, uh, melon, I really remembering that term, melanin, something like that. उसकी वजह से होता है. So and as well as if your means your skin is very sensitive. For example, my skin is very sensitive. So when I go outside in sun without sunscreen, or because in beginning we never use sunscreen, right? We didn't know what is sunscreen. So what happened? Our body is very sensitive. My skin is, so it start producing melanin. That's what black pill comes
You know, when I
from.
wear
I think
sunscreen, so I
then
feel jalan. I feel jalan when I wear sunscreen. When I
so
applied sunscreen.
mostly we should use recommended, doctor recommended
Yeah.
sunscreen, not all the sunscreen. Because different skin type and different kinds of people have should use their sunscreen. So the good thing is that Maniti use sunscreen. She goes to doctor, so I get to know some of good sunscreen. I use her. Mostly I use everything of her, and I say मैं तुम्हारा कुछ नहीं use करती.
You not do right thing.
Now I am in very tension. Like what will happen of me when she will leave. She will get joining very soon, and what will happen to me?
Okay. Bye bye, Mansi. Okay, I think we are talk too much today. So you go and do your work. I go and I do my work.
I'm getting very emotional.
Have a good day.
Thank you. Same to you. You're very pretty, Dee.
Thank you, Mansi. You